Today's meeting in the Prime Minister's residence, Honorable Home Minister and BJP President invited me to the evening meeting. I am attending that meeting. There is no big agenda from our side. We wanted to form the government without any hurdles. That is our top priority under the leadership of Narendra Modi. I don't know when is the time was fixed for the vote taking ceremony. I think after the meeting of Prime Minister's residence, all those things they will going to announce. Don't know actually after the meeting they will they will disclose it. It will not going to helpful to the country's development. India's alliance will not going to helpful to the country because there several friends who are come together to form that India alliance. We know we have several experience in the past. It will not going to affect on the develop to the country into stable government to the country. It will not going to successfully.
So you think Mr. Naidu will stick to NDA, sir? You think Mr. Naidu will stick to NDA for long?
Definitely, I think he will take. He is a matured politician. He know everything. He will not going to take any negative decision.
Sir,
ಈಗ ನಿತೀಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ಹಿಂದೆ even when Honorable late Vajpayee ji was Prime Minister of this country, at that time also he worked with BJP. He had a long relationship with BJP. I think Nitish Kumar will not going to take any negative steps in this situation. He will going to solidly, I think my conscience is telling that he is going to solidly stand behind Narendra Modi.